Hi guys, so let's make some slime. So I have the glue only. Then let's make. So tanggalin natin ito. Look, nagbubble siya. So eto, tag 18 lang to. Bilhin ko sana yung dalawa, yung tag 18, yung bigo na ganyan. Tag 18 lang siya. So thank you na nakabili talaga ako ng glue kasi matagal ko na to gusto. Kasi kasi hindi ako pinapayag kung bumili ng glue. Then I got it. So nakuha ko na ito. So bali ko na. So first is to glue. So maglagay tayo ng glue. Yan. Hindi mo na siya dumarami guys kasi baka hindi tayo makalot sa glue din. Masayang yung glue natin. Oops. Hello guys, magbili pa ako ng glue. So ito na. Ay hello, hindi ko lang siya sulod. Wait lang, lagyan natin ng water. Oh my gosh, I need some yellow because oh my gosh, it's making like a yellow. What is a color? It makes like a yellow and what? Yellow and white makes what? Can you comment? Oh my gosh, it's getting so we need to clap. Oh. Then we need to mix them. It's okay because it's not super yummy. Pagkatapos maglagay tayo sa hands din. Mag-clap lang tayo. Hala, malapit na maubos. Puntahan natin. So, yan. So, guys, so part 2 na lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.